Hi guys, welcome back. So now I am going to show you how to set up the publish settings. Okay, so the normally whenever we print in, so you can see the print window, and here you can choose whatever you want. I mean, if you need to make PDF or make print, I mean hard copy, then you can just use select it. Okay, and this is for the export location. If it's PDF, you can just go to the location and make it. And these are the printing range, so we can choose always which one you want it, like visible or current window. Current window means the exact size. Visible means whatever you are going to show, the showing in window, I mean in the view. And the here it's a setting, you can just choose multiple files. Okay, so I'm just keeping the same setting. I'm not doing anything. I'm just going to show you this setting only, the mainly. Okay, so we did. Okay, I'm going to show you how to make A1 PDF, A3 PDF, and also I'll explain how to make the prints. Okay, so here in the setting, so you can just click here. So this is the main print setup. So here we don't have anything set up, so we are going to make setting here. So I'm just going to make save as. So currently we are going to make a one PDF. Okay? So I'm going to make PDF for A1 because our sheet it's A1. So if it's A0, you can just make A0, and if it's A2, you can make it. Okay, and click OK. So select, make sure it's A1, and make sure this is center, and orientation you can just keep the landscape because it's landscape. If it's portrait, you can make it. And here, so normally it's come with fit page. So if we are selecting A1 and this is A1, I mean the sheet A1, then make sure click zoom, make sure it's 100%. So the scale, whenever you print, it will be exact in the scale. Okay, so make sure it's 100. Okay, make sure it's center and 100. So in the option, so just untick this one, make sure hide all the reference and work planes, and make sure you tick the hide unreferenced view tags, because sometimes we'll make some section tag or elevation views for just checking purpose, and that we don't need to print, and we can just tick this one, so it will not include in the printing. And these are, and make sure hide the scope box and hide the crop boundary. It depends on your setting, because sometimes we'll make the crop window as printable, and that time you can just untick this one. Okay, so make sure untick this one, because if it's tick, because sometimes the lines we override with half tone and some override on the lines. So whenever you tick this one, so I mean whenever you print, so that automatically change to the normal line, so you'll not get the exact setting what you did. Okay, and these are just keep it as it is, vector passes and high and color. Okay, so we made a setting, just save. So this one already done, and okay, so you can see here we have it A1 PDF. So if you check the print preview, so you can see everything perfect fitting. Okay, so I'm just exiting. So we made one setting for A1. Okay, then we need to make a A3 printing setting. I mean, we have a A1 sheet, but I need to print A3, maybe for checking or some or making hard copy. So we can just make it. And normally we use as a printer. I mean, for making a QAQC, so we can just print and make all the drawings for review purpose. So because I'm going to make a setting for A3, but I don't have any um, normal printer. That's why I'm just showing along with the PDF. So I'm just going to make save as. So I'm just saying A3 PDF. Okay, so this setting same, and make sure this is A3. So sender A3, and here make sure this is 50. So that means you can make fit to page, so it will automatically fit in the sheet. But the thing is, okay, you made it a 1:100 drawing in scale. Okay, so whenever you print with the fit to page, you cannot uh, get the exact dimension in with ruler or any scales. So make sure you use zoom 50. That means A1 to A3 it's half. That's why I'm just using 50. Okay, so other things you can just keep just 50. Save. So A3 sender 50. Other you can keep same. So click OK. Then you can see preview. See, perfect. So now you understood how we can make the printing setting here. Okay, and also you can choose if you have a plotter, a normal printer, you can just add here. And currently I'm printing A1, so A1 PDF, so we can just use Adobe PDF and go to here, just select A1. You don't need to go anything, just set up. If it's A3, just select A3, because other setting we already did it. Because the thing is, normally whenever you are working with a company, a standard company, all these settings included in company's standard template, but sometimes we need to create extra. So, and also if you don't have any template, that's why I'm just explaining which way you can make it. Okay, so if you making printing, make sure you select the location. You can just change to this. I'm going to select desktop. So save. So just selecting F, click OK. So it's printing. So you can see it will ask where you want to save again. So desktop. So the print done. Okay, perfect. And in next video I will show you how to do in multiple batch print. I mean, we have actually I'll show you now. Here we can select all the sheet in one go. Okay, the thing is, if it's one go, you need to select we need to create a separate file, right? So in next video I will show you, because normally whenever you export it will ask um, one by one for saving with the pop-up window. So that will, if you have more drawings, it will take more time to export, because it will come with the pop-up window for the saving. Then you need to click save, then again it will come, then you need to save. So one by one. Okay, but if you change a little bit settings, it will come automatically. You don't need to go one by one for saving. Okay, see you on next video. I hope you understand. If you have any doubt, just comment down below. Bye, see you on next video. Subscribe and share. Bye bye.